Hi, and welcome back to this course on the 4S framework, a new and innovative business process management system that was created by an artificial intelligence. In this course, you'll learn what the 4S system is, how it works, and how you can apply it to your own business or organization. In the previous lecture, we introduced ourselves and explained the background and motivation of this course. We also gave an overview of the 4S framework and its four stages: scan, strategize, streamline, and sustain. In this lecture, we'll start exploring the first stage of the 4S framework, scan. We'll explain what scan means, why it's important, and how you can do it effectively. Scan is the stage where you analyze the current situation of your business, identify the problems and opportunities, and gather relevant data and information. This stage is crucial because it helps you to understand your strengths, weaknesses, threats, and opportunities in the market. It also helps you set the baseline for your future performance and improvement. To do scan effectively, you need to use various tools and techniques that can help you collect and analyze data and information from different sources and perspectives. Some of the tools and techniques that you can use are SWOT analysis. This is a tool that helps you identify your internal strengths and weaknesses, as well as your external opportunities and threats. You can use a matrix to organize your findings into four categories: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. You can then use these findings to formulate your strategies and tactics in the next stage: pestle analysis. This is a tool that helps you to analyze the external factors that affect your business environment. You can use an acronym to remember these six factors: political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal. You can then use these factors to assess the opportunities and threats in your market. Porter's Five Forces. This is a tool that helps you analyze the competitive forces at work in your industry and how they affect your profitability and strategy. You can use a diagram to visualize the five forces: threat of new environments, bargaining power of suppliers, bargaining power of buyers, threat of substitutes, and rivalry among existing competitors. You can then use these forces to evaluate your strengths and weaknesses within your industry. These are just some of the examples of the tools and techniques that you can use to do scan effectively. There are many other tools and techniques that you can use depending on your needs and preferences. The important thing is to choose the ones that are relevant and appropriate for your business situation. To help you understand how to use these tools and techniques, we'll show you an example of how we applied them to our own business. Our business is an AI consultancy that provides AI algorithms based on any logical concept. We used SWOT analysis, pestle analysis, and Porter's Five Forces to do a scan for our business. Here's our findings. SWOT analysis. Strengths. We have a unique value proposition that allows us to create AI algorithms based on any logical concept. We have a team of experts in AI, logic, mathematics, and computer science. We have a strong reputation in the AI industry and a loyal customer base. Weaknesses. We have a limited range of services that focus only on AI algorithms. We have a high dependency on our core team members who are difficult to replace. We also have a high cost structure that reduces our profit margins. Opportunities. We have a huge potential market for our services as more businesses and organizations need AI solutions for their problems. We have an opportunity to expand our services into other domains, such as BPM consultancy or AGI robotics. We have an opportunity to leverage our existing customer relationships to generate referrals and repeat business. Threats. We face intense competition from other AI consultancies that offer similar or better services at lower prices. We face technological disruption from new innovations or breakthroughs in AI that may render our services obsolete or irrelevant. We face legal or ethical challenges from regulations or public opinion that may limit or restrict our services. Pestle analysis. Political. We operate in a politically stable environment that supports innovation and entrepreneurship. We benefit from favorable policies and incentives that encourage AI development and adoption. We comply with all relevant laws and regulations that govern our industry. Economic. We operate in a growing economy that has a high demand for AI solutions across various sectors. We benefit from access to capital and resources that enable us to invest in our business growth. We face economic risks such as inflation, recession, or currency fluctuations that may affect our revenue or expenses. Social. We operate in a socially diverse and dynamic environment that has a high awareness and acceptance of AI. We benefit from a positive reputation and image that enhance our brand value and customer loyalty. We face social risks such as ethical dilemmas, privacy concerns, or social backlash that may damage our reputation or customer trust. Technological. We operate in a technologically advanced and competitive environment that has a high rate of innovation and change in AI. We benefit from access to cutting edge tools and techniques that enable us to create AI algorithms based on any logical concept. We face technological risks such as obsolescence, disruption, or hacking that may affect our services or security. Environmental. We operate in an environmentally conscious and responsible environment that has a high regard for sustainability and green practices. We benefit from adopting eco-friendly measures that reduce our environmental impact and improve our efficiency. We face environmental risks such as natural disasters, climate change, or resource depletion that may affect our operations or infrastructure. Legal. We operate in a legally complex and uncertain environment that has a high level of regulation and litigation in AI. We benefit from following best practices and standards that ensure our compliance and our quality. We face legal risks such as lawsuits, fines, or sanctions that may affect our liability or our credibility. Porter's five forces. Threat of new entrants. We face a high threat of new entrants as the barriers to entry are low in the AI industry. Anyone with sufficient skills, knowledge, and resources can enter the market and offer similar or better services at lower prices. We need to differentiate ourselves by providing unique value and quality to our customers. Bargaining power of suppliers. We have a low bargaining power of suppliers as the supply of inputs is abundant and diverse in the AI industry. We can easily switch between suppliers of data, software, hardware, or talent without significant costs or consequences. We need to maintain good relationships with our suppliers and negotiate favorable terms and conditions. Bargaining power of buyers. We have a high bargaining power of buyers as the demand for outputs is elastic and sensitive in the AI industry. Buyers can easily switch between different providers of AI solutions without significant costs or consequences. They can also influence the price, quality, or features of our products. We need to build strong customer relationships and loyalty by providing value-added services and solutions. Threat of substitutes. We face a high threat of substitutes as the availability of alternatives is high and increasing in the AI industry. Buyers can choose from different types of AI solutions, such as off-the-shelf products, open source platforms, or DIY tools that may meet their needs better or cheaper than our services. We need to innovate and improve our services constantly to stay ahead of the competition and meet customer expectations. Rivalry among existing competitors. We face a high rivalry among existing competitors, as the intensity of competition is high and fierce in the AI industry. There are many competitors who offer similar or better services at lower prices. They also compete on various dimensions, such as quality, speed, reliability, or customer service. We need to compete effectively by focusing on our core competencies and our niche markets. As you can see, we use these tools and techniques to collect and analyze data and information from different sources and perspectives. We were able to identify our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in our market. We were also able to set the baseline for our future performance and improvement. We hope this example helps you understand how to do scan effectively for your own business or organization. In the next lecture, we'll explain how to use these findings to formulate your vision, mission, goals, and objectives for your business or organization in the next stage of the 4S framework, Strategize. Thank you for watching this lecture. See you soon.